In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Circle. So, first things first, you'll need to log into your Circle, so admin account. Open your browser and head straight to the Circle.so website where you'll see the login option. Click on it, enter your credentials, and you'll find yourself in the admin interface. This platform offers you a versatile environment, making it ideal for setting up a landing page tailored to your community's needs. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to Spaces in the left sidebar. Spaces are essentially the distinct areas within Circle, so where you can engage with your audience. Click on this option and then select the specific space where you'd like your landing page to appear. This step is crucial because it determines where your audience will access the page you are about to create. Once you've selected the right space, it's time to create your post. Look for the Create Post button and click on it. Choose the Page/Post option. This is where your landing page begins to take shape. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to enter a page title. Go ahead and give it a fitting name like Landing Page. This not only helps organize your content, but also makes it easier for your audience to find and recognize. With your page title in place, you'll want to add content sections. Click on Add Content Sections. This part is key because it's where you decide what your landing page is all about. You'll find options to add text, images, videos, buttons, and even embed other content. Think about your goal for the page and choose the elements that will best promote engagement or deliver your message effectively. As you populate each section, ensure the content is clear, concise, and aligns with your page's purpose. To heighten engagement, consider adding call to action buttons. Click on the Add Call to Action button and decide what type of button you need. Options like sign up, checkout buttons, or links to external URLs are available here. Tailor them to guide your audience toward the next step, like signing up for a newsletter or completing a purchase. Then make sure to link your button to the appropriate destination. Click on the button and select whether it leads to a checkout, sign up form, or an external URL. Remember to save your changes to ensure everything is updated on your page. Next, you'll set the visibility of your landing page. Scroll down to Access Visibility and choose whether your page is public, restricted to members only, or available to a specific plan. Save these settings for security and accessibility. Finally, with everything set up to your liking, click Publish. Your landing page is now live and accessible. Organize it under a module or folder if needed for ease of navigation in the future. And there you have it. Your landing page on Circle is ready to engage your audience.